What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're doing our update on Jasmy coin. We did break the 1.7 cents here. Very, very small, very small, but still we did break below 1.7, which was a very powerful support area for us. Now, I do think we are to be considering a double bottom right here, according to the charts, which we will look at here soon. But we're down 0.2% today at 1.6, $810 million market cap, with 48 billion coins in circulation out of 50. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Jasmy. All right, everybody. Jasmy. We were looking for a bounce here, guys. If you looked at the RSI, we were talking about a bounce at this normal levels, which we did not get that bounce. However, we do look like we're at a horizontal support area nonetheless again for the coin. So if we draw a horizontal support line right here, you can see the power of the support area at around 1616. Now, this goes all the way back to February 2024, guys. February 2024, we had multiple days of trying to overtake that 16 to 17 cents range without being able to do it. We actually bopped around here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it took 8 days to break that. So that's a powerful, that was a powerful resistance area. So now it's a powerful support area. It has to be, right? We have to hold up here, guys. We have to stay above this 16 cents area, 16, 17 cents. And it's kind of looking like it's going to happen, honestly. Day chart right here, we have a nice morning star candle forming in, which is a reversal pattern. We have the MACD here, which is starting to slow down. As you can see, we did not have that large of an engulfing candle compared to prior days. You can see prior days, the day after always engulfed it much larger than today's, which is kind of showing the top, signs of a top coming in. You can see it happens similar back here. Once you start seeing not as enlarged engulfing candles on the day chart right there, you can tend to expect the MACD to start rolling over. Same with the RSI. RSI is still pointing in lower lows, lower highs. So we're gonna have to see where we're at there. RSI is on a horizontal support area going back to January 2024 as well. I'll draw a horizontal line so you can see it. So hopefully we get a bounce here. We have a lot of indicators saying that this could be the bounce. This could be the bottom here for Jasmy. WTX is still free falling. We'll just say that. Now, what we want to see, like I mentioned, is a bounce off that 16. But where's the fibs at? What do the fibs tell us? So if we do the fib from the high to the low here, I think we actually have to go to the bottom, if I'm not mistaken. You'd think I would remember this after making this chart so many times. And that's what we're seeing right here, that 17 cents at the 786, and then that 16 at our 16.5 right here. This is our area that we have to maintain. I'm going to draw a green box here. We are currently in the green box, but we do not want to break below this green box. We can wick below it, but as long as we don't have a body of the candle below 17 to 16.5, I'm all good. If we happen to fall below that 16.5, guys, I'd hate to be the bearer of bad news, but we really don't have any support for Jasmy until we get back down to 11 cents, which is a disgusting drop. Even if we drop the volume profile on here, you can see once we break a below this price range, like we mentioned, at 16.5, the volume profile dies off. So this is kind of a price volume gap right here. When there's not a lot of volume, you move through those areas rather quickly. As you can see on the upside, when we enter this negative price volume area, we got sucked straight up. Similar things can happen on the way back down. So we do not want to break below that 16.5, 16.5 to, yeah, I'd say 16 to 16.5. Otherwise, this could be at play here for Jasmy. Now, I don't want to be bearish because I still think this bad boy is going up to 5 cents here. I did say the end of April, which I was wrong. I will admit that, but guess what? I wouldn't have got anything if I was right. But in the meantime, I do think that 5 cents is still on the table. That's all the way up here at the 1,236. As long as we maintain above the 16.5, we haven't put in lower lows and lower high cents, but we have not been putting in any lower lows since February 2024. I think it's just a matter of time. As of right now, Jasmy's just consolidating. And if you think about it, a lot of meme coins absolutely shit the bed during this time frame right here. And Jasmy held up very strongly, ranging between 22 cents and 16 cents. A lot of coins dropped about 75, 50 to 75% during that time frame. So that just shows that the Jasmy community is very strong, and they're comfortable holding and accumulating this coin at this price range. But I think it's just a matter of time until this goes, guys. Chart's looking solid. Once Bitcoin gets its head of its ass, we should be able to rock and roll up to that 5 cents area on Jasmy. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.